Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Amazon Music Unlimited step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to Amazon.com. Sign in with the Amazon account that is currently paying for Amazon Music Unlimited. Make sure you are on the correct account if you have more than one Amazon login. Move your cursor to Account and Lists at the top right, or tap the Profile menu on mobile. Click Account, or on mobile tap your account to open the Account Settings page. Scroll down until you find the section called Memberships and Subscriptions. Select Amazon Music Unlimited or find it under Subscriptions if it is listed there. Open the Amazon Music Unlimited settings page to view your current plan details. Look for an option that says Cancel Subscription or Cancel Membership. Click Cancel Subscription to start the cancellation process. If Amazon shows a page offering discounts or pauses, choose Continue to cancel. Read the message that explains when your access will end, usually at the next billing date. Confirm that you understand any remaining access period and any saved playlists stay in your account. Click Confirm Cancellation to finalize the request. Wait for the confirmation screen that says your subscription is set to end. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation message from Amazon. If you subscribed through the Amazon Music app, open the Amazon Music app and sign in. Tap the Settings gear icon in the app, then go to Amazon Music Unlimited. If the app redirects you to Amazon's website, follow the same cancellation steps there. If you subscribe through Apple, open iPhone Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Tap Subscriptions and select Amazon Music to manage it through Apple. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm to finish the cancellation on Apple's side. If you subscribed through Google Play, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. Select Amazon Music Unlimited and tap Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts. Choose a reason if asked, and confirm the cancellation. After canceling, return to Amazon Music settings and verify it shows an end date instead of a renewal date. If you still see charges after the end date, contact Amazon customer service with your order and billing details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.